Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is boy Sam from Armada Train here, and today, guys, we're going to be looking at CNS Pharmaceuticals. Now, this is a company which I've had my eye on for, well, I actually found them yesterday, I'm not going to lie. As you see this graph here, I was actually trying to gauge the level of support they had here, and as you can see, they really did rise, and there is a very nice level of support coming over here as well in a very upward trend, which is why I think that this company is going to be a very good buy. And to back this up as well, CNS Pharmaceuticals recently announced that their estimated share target is going to be $10. So I'm not sure what their time frame for that is. However, this could be a good long-term play and potentially short-term as well, because as you can see, it's still in an upward trend. Like you see these candlestick graphs, it's very much going up and up and up with very little resistance really in between these green candlesticks. So that is one of the reasons why I think this is going to be good, and also is currently in a very nice upward canal as shown like so. I'll quickly draw this for you. So as you can see here, if it breaks above this canal, I truly think it's going to go even higher. Sorry, wrong one. My bad, guys. Yeah, so if it goes above this sort of thing here, because it's sort of like a bullish flag actually now. So that is sort of where we're looking at. And as you see, this level of support that is just being developed here, like it looks crazy. Like if it's sort of reaching this cutoff point here, so I want to get this video up ASAP before this point, because if it breaches this level of support, we could be looking at an absolute stonking stock. You know, it is going to be amazing. Now, as you can see here as well through the analysis, this stock is becoming seriously overbought, which shows there is a massive demand for this stock right now. And that is because of the news which I showed you previously, how CNS Pharmaceuticals announced that their target share price is going to be $10. So people have recognized that, and they are currently buying up these stocks like crazy, and consequently inflating the price massively. So right now, if you got in at a lower price, you see as I'm talking, it's going up and up and up. Like honestly, again, this is not financial advice. I am a university student. Do not take anything I say. Take it as a pinch of salt. But anyway, a bit of a disclaimer. But as you see, guys, this stock is going to the moon right now. Like, honestly, this could really rise. And I'm talking it could go up to about $6. Maybe even today. Who knows? So, yeah. I mean, take it as you will. And for anyone who doesn't know what CNS Pharmaceuticals is, it is a biopharmaceutical company that engages in the development of anti-cancer drug candidates for primary and metastatic cancers of the brain and central nervous system. So cancer is always going to be something that's around, and I don't know why it's going up like this, but obviously cancer is something that is just here. So you know, there's obviously going to always be a demand for this sort of product. So that is why I think this is a good buy, personally. And I think this is why we're seeing such a massive increase. And looking at their current ratio graphs, you can just see this massive increase. 2019 and 2020, it's going to be higher again when this is finally released, which is going to be absolutely insane. Like, yeah, it's actually mad. Like even here, so this is like the percentage increase. So you can see here 5,000% it increased from this quarter here. It did have a little bit of a dip, but it's starting to work its way back up. And this right here is so this is an increase from this of 395%, which is insane. Like there is so many factors why this could be a very, very good buy. Now, I'm not too sure right now of how to really go about an entry point for this, because these sorts of figures, they're a bit strange in the sense that because this graph is so volatile, it's very hard to decide an entry point. Like, is it going to go to the moon now and never come back down, or is it going to drop a bit and then you could buy, and then it's going to go up? Now, looking at this flag, now would not be a bad time to buy, because it's looking like it's going to go up. However, I'm a little bit concerned about this level of support, because if it drops below this level of support, it could drop down. It's either going to go up or go down. It's either going to breach that level of support, or it's going to drop below that level of support. So it's something that we have to keep in mind when approaching, like, trading with this stock. So that is my 2 cents about CNS Pharmaceuticals, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and it's helped you out more than anything. If you have, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Thank you very much for the support on the channel. It's been absolutely amazing. I thank you guys so much. This has been your boy Sam from Armada Trading. I'll see you in the next video on the channel. In a bit, guys.